What's up, everyone? I have here the drinking water test kit for home. This is an 18-in-1 test strip kit, and it does come with a bacteria kit as well. It comes with different packs of test strips that have different parameters on each one. This one here tests the pH, the alkalinity of the water, the hardness, and a bunch of others here. This one is iron, copper, lead, manganese, aluminum, mercury, and zinc. And then we have nitrates on this one. On this one here, this is a bacteria test. That's going to test the bacteria in the water. It also comes with a record sheet here, which is very nice, so you can test it multiple times and kind of compare. And these are all the different parameters and what they mean. Yeah, so let me show you how easy this is to test. So I'm going to take my test tube here, fill it up with some water, and we're simply going to dunk our test strip into the water for 2 seconds, pull it out, let it sit for just a few seconds here. We're going to test it with the indicator chart here, kind of see where we fall within different parameters here. So these test strips do a great job at showing you the quality of the water. It's always nice to know what's in your drinking water and if it's an acceptable amount that's in there. So if you want to test your drinking water, this 18-in-1 test kit is a great one to pick up. Thanks for watching.